How to create MetroBank account online. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Open up a browser that you prefer in your device. Search for MetroBank and select on the option. You'll be redirected to the official website of your MetroBank. Now in here you will see the Apply Now option that you can tap on, and the application will only take you 10 minutes. Now if you scroll down, you will find the option of Apply Online Now or Resume your application if you have applied before. You will see a form type of layout that you have to fill it out. If you select on Resume your application, it will redirect you to the part where you last left off. If you already have an account, select on the Login option and select your banking mode. If I have a personal banking, I'll select on Personal Banking. Then all you have to do is enter your 12-digit customer number. Then select on Remember Me, but only use it if you are using your private device. Then tap on Continue. At the bottom, you will see some of the options to recover your account in the case of forgotten credential. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.